College bun fibro section 4 kane kalong ka jimptip nam ta gitu kiba apply nam ta ka MBBS po Neigrihms te kila panmi ya ka notification yang ka fast counseling notice for MBBS admission 24-25 for 18 Northeast open category seat tingin ya pule ta kane ka notification ka nong komno. This is for information for all eligible candidates who are apply for admission into MBBS course at Neigrihms, Shillong from the 18 Northeast Open Category seat that the first counseling for admission to the MBBS course for the session 2024-25 will be held on 28 August. The second Mawatare and the August at 11 a.m. in Directors Conference Room, Neigrihms, Shillong on the basis of merit in the National Eligibility Com Entrance Test NEET UG 2024 conducted by National Testing Authority. Tekatare kandai August kandai fast counseling. Cut off score for fast counseling NEET score revise of 641. Tang kibayo Rus pa sau pue jerong insa khot yaki nam taka fast counseling. Then la dep nang tub de la don kambiang sa khot biang sa ka second counseling, third counseling la kaladap ka sit kinon don kamju ban khot biang. Eligibility bona fide permanent resident of PRC holder of any age Northeastern state of India should have applied for the Northeast Open Quota Prospectus for MBBS admission 24, should have appeared NEET UG 24 and submitted the scorecard to Neigrihms. The candidate who have obtained the cut-off score of 641 can now kuntagen cut shotang giwayo 641 dus pas of mark and above in the NEET UG 24 conducted by National Testing Authority and fulfilling the eligibility criteria will be called for counseling. Taking sakot kan sapa aru ka email nam ta jong phila nekin shupin mi ekalis nam ta kitu kibla cross eka 641 marks above kin sakot nam ta ka fast counseling. The candidate who are called for counseling have to report in person. The last court have to report in person in the above menu and must produce the following certificate in original as well as xerox of copy of all document at the time of counseling. No individual call letter or phone call will be sent or made for attending counseling. Okay, so can you can you me via website the kerteng la neki submit via website marba kadab ong ba kinum pa call letter na phone call or will be sent the inside shipment tip page ning ba website so should check via website. Permanent residential PRC domicile from the competent NEET UG rank letter com scorecard. These are the documents that need to be bring on that counseling date. And pass certificate from the qualifying examination 10+2, mark sheet qualifying examination 10+2, age proof certificate, character and conduct certificate from the head of institution, transfer certificate and migration certificate from the head of institution, 3 recent passport size color photograph. Method of counseling. Method of counseling. During the counseling, the candidate will be called in order of merit. Can one show mark then here. After verification of document and ascertaining the eligibility criteria, the candidate will be serially allotted seat on the basis of merit till filling up of the stipulated 18 seat. Hadu manadap kata kharap pratali seat. Da 4 dap kinang khotbay dap tangka fast counseling ru kalabiang. Northeast open category seat. Candidate who fail to attend counseling medical examination on a notified date shall forfeit their claim for admission. Okay. Calling for counseling does not mean allotment of seat. Okay, you got to rule as to him. The counseling committee reserves the right to fill or keep any member of seat vacant for valid reason. Okay. The selected candidate on the day of the counseling are to submit hakapor by counseling are to submit a declaration regarding acceptance of seat, original document certificate mentioned above, payment of admission fee of rupees 47,600 at the following link. Pinhaban check hapoka official website on 28 August 2024. Hapsiu no ekaneka fees ru. Mess fees of 10,950 to be deposited by the student quarterly. The mess fees is to be deposited at the time of admission. Okay, kineka still kata kapor. And then non-acceptance. Okay, katum non camera. If seats are not filled during the first counseling, kung mangalong naraga seat kampandap ha first counseling, kinsa khot ha second counseling. The second counseling will be held at the later date to be notified by the institute kinsa pentip pada ya ka second counseling. However, the candidate who are called for first counseling but fail to appear will not be eligible for the second counseling. Ya kata ila setui lalaki muan ka first counseling kemudian baki la do ben. Interested candidates should frequently visit the institute website takamut ba kin ajing tip ya pokan ne ka website jong ka Neigrihms be nya ban check with man kapor blue.neigrihms.gov.in for further information. The date for commencement of the academic session 2025 is on 2nd September. Kelas kan sedang 3 September dan kibayo akmut ba by 2nd September ada ban join class de ka tarik nam tagayu ka de arpa Agust ada ken yo saya ka second list kan sapen mi yang ba by kono ap khandai ne lai 3 Agust kum ta ter dan nam ta ki jengtip khamne ken sapen mi bi hapo official website yang sa page nang ne sakmat de tangki ne hi jengtip khule chugon